Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's me, your girl, your sister, your friend, and your cousin, and we're back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a install on my individual lashes. It's called Eye Envy by Kiss. And so I get so many compliments whenever I wear my lashes. People don't really see the actual lash, they see like the extension of it, and I'm going to show you guys how to achieve that look. So if you guys want to see how I achieve the unnoticeable lashes, then continue to keep watching. The things that you will need for this application of your unnoticeable lashes are the actual lashes, a pair of tweezers, some duo glue, and this is a really good glue. I tried this one time before when I applied these lashes, and the lashes stayed on for maybe like a week or so because of this glue. And for me, this is a personal preference. I know a lot of people don't like to do it the getaway, but I use hair glue, and the only reason why I use this is because it dries faster than the duo. So if you want that extra security, extra support for your lashes, then you can use any other type of glue other than hair glue, or you can just use hair glue. So first, what you want to do is you want to take your cover or whatever plastic thing that you have, and then you want to put your duo on there. You can put a generous amount because you're going to be using mostly all of it. And then you want to take your second glue and you want to put it on there as well. You don't have to mix them, you just put it separately. So that's about it. Take a couple of my lashes. Hopefully you guys can see, but I like to dip it in the glue. Then I like to put it back in the little case thing so it can sit for a little bit. And I just do that for all of them. Just put it back in the thing. Because the duo takes not a long time, but it takes a good amount of time to actually dry or to be tacky. So you can put it on your lashes. So I'm just going to continue to do this, and I'll be right back. Once your lash glue turns clear, then you want to dip it into your other glue or your hair glue, and then let that dry just a little bit. I have to give credit to the YouTuber who actually showed me how to do this, not in person, but of course on a video. But her name is Isis Aryon. Her name is actually Isis Aryon. My bad, girl. But she actually showed me how to do this in her video, and I thought the method was very, very, very cool, and I tried it and it worked out for me because I could not get how to do individual lashes. And you just put them underneath. Let that dry just a little bit. Sometimes I use my sometimes I use my fingers to push it in place. See, so this is like the extension, and like you really cannot tell that I have lashes on. So continue to do the same process. You already let your duo glue on the lash turn clear, so then you dip it back into your alternative glue or your second glue or your hair glue, whatever, and you let that dry just a little bit as well. So just blow it or whatever you want to do. And then you continue to apply. See how easy that was? Because the glue is already kind of dry a little bit. Ooh. I just feel so good when I wear actual lashes, because it's like, it looks like you got on makeup, but you really don't have on makeup, girl. Like, I'm just so excited. Ooh, I'm so happy. Now I just gotta let these dry, and I'll be right back with the other eye completed because I'm already at 17 minutes. You guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully the tips and tricks were helpful for you, and if you need a reference for that other video, then it's linked in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for tuning in to this channel, tuning into my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.